Hey everyone, welcome to this video. So I'm going to show you how you can set up your Lightsail WordPress instance with Let'sEncrypt certificate. All you need to do is run the script sudo opt bitnami bncert tool. I have already done this, so there would be a difference in the output, but once you do it for the first time, it will ask for your domain name. So suppose I just type, for me it will say that it's already existing, but for you it might ask that you want to generate the certificate for xyz.com and www.xyz.com. So make sure in your DNS you have the entry for both xyz.com and www.xyz.com. The next thing, it will ask you whether you want to have HTTP to HTTPS redirection. Make it yes, so that all your non-encrypted traffic is redirected to encrypted traffic. Enable non-www to www redirection. Now it's up to you. Either you should use www.xyz.com or without, drop that www. Enable www to non-www redirection. I will mark it as yes, and it will generate the required details. Select yes, and you would be done. So it's pretty easy. So go ahead and perform this, and it's, as I mentioned, it's pretty simple, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.